Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So in this video today we will discuss about some AI tools. We will discuss about 4 AI tools to make your job easy while dealing with the images. Okay, so let's start. And all these are 100% free. That is going to save your time for sure whenever you come to that problem. So the first one I will be using for removing the watermark from any images. So this one is the URL. The URL name is watermarkremover.io. So this is AI tool that can be used to remove the watermark or any character written on any picture. You can remove. For example, I am taking the instance of this PHP and I will use this to remove text. The moment I click on remove text, you will get this PHP removed from the right side of image. So let me click on this and you see the picture have been removed. Okay, and you see some shade here, but this can also be removed from any other tool. Let me come to that tool. Okay, so download this image. It is taking time. So this way you can download the output. This one is the original and right one is the output one. So output one will download. Let me open this one. So this one is downloaded now. The second tool is remove.bg. What it will do, it will remove the background of image you will be uploading here. So whichever image you upload here, it will remove the background of that image. For example, I am going to upload this one. For now, it will remove the background and you see only the girl is coming here. You can also edit the background, and here is the list of free background you can choose to apply and download. You can download this applied. You can download this image with upload background. You see here the image after the remove background and applying the background new one. Same way you can also apply here the color as a background. So I am using here the first time I am using the photo from the template here already given, and you can also use the color combination. Okay, you can pick any color from here. Yeah, you can pick the color here that is predefined here. Okay, and you can download. The third URL in this series is cleanup.pictures. Let me open in a new tab. So here, as its name suggests, clean up pictures. So you will have the picture, then you can clean some item, remove item from that picture. For example, let me take the example of this image itself, and I want to remove this selected area. So just click on it, not click, just select that area and leave your mouse. It will take for 2-3 seconds to get removed. So it has been removed now. You can also increase the brush size or decrease the brush size from here. So let me make it to maximum. You see here the maximum one. Let me reduce to lowest one. You see here lowest one. So in case I want to delete all this photo or picture that is coming on the wall, so for that I have to select this one and leave the mouse and wait for 2-3 seconds. It will be go. So you see everything is clean up on this wall now, and you can download after this change, and this is totally free as of now. Okay, so let me open the output. You see the output here. Let me upload one more image to check. I am uploading this image And let me try cleaning this, right, the patches you are seeing here, so that I can get it clear. So just select that, and you see your patches gone. And this image was the patch, the image with the patch was the output of this watermark remover.io. And now by using cleanup.picture I have cleaned that patch you see here. Okay, now you can download. So in case if any particular one is not fulfilling your need, then you can use the combination of these. So this is totally that will play around, that you can play around the images you see here in the downloads. Okay, so the patches is removed now. Okay, in case I am uploading one more images here, just go to start new, upload, and here select, I want to remove this PHP word, so you have to select that very carefully and leave your mouse, and you see your what is gone, but we also have to clean some patches that is coming. So for now I am removing this, and you see that is gone, and I am removing this, and leaving the mouse, and you see patch is gone, again patch is coming here. So one by one you can clean up picture here. Okay, you can clean the picture. Keep cleaning your image till the final output received. Okay, so this one you can use, and the another one is, the next one is snapedit.app. So by using this AI tool, you can remove any item from any images. Yeah, you can also remove the text. Okay, so I will be using here this image itself. Let me upload this one. You can remove text here, this. In case you want to remove any item, you have to select that, just select. The moment you select, you see the remove button will be enabled, just click on it, and it will take some moment, and your selected item you see gone. Same way you can also remove the textual content if anything is written. So for now I want to remove this light. So the moment I select this one, you see after selecting, remove button is enabled. Now click on it, and you see that light is removed, that bulb has been removed, and you see only the straight line bulb. And you can also download this for free. It will not be asking you to sign up or subscribe. And here is the output you see. So hope you guys will be using in your project. Whenever you need this kind of requirement, you have to remove the watermark from the image, you have to remove the background from image, you have to remove the object from any image, you have to remove again the object or text from the any images, you can use these two. And you will find the link of all these useful AI tool in the description of this video. And thank you.